In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with your Wix website, ensuring a seamless booking experience for your clients or visitors. We'll walk you through each step with clarity and ease so you can have your booking system up and running in no time. To get started, our first task is to obtain the Calendly embed code. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate to the event type that you want your guests to be able to book, or if you prefer, your entire booking page. It's essential to select the right page so that your visitors can easily schedule appointments or meetings with you. Next, find and select the option Add to Website. In some cases, it might appear as Share, followed by Add to Website. This option is crucial as it generates the specific code you'll need to integrate Calendly into your Wix site. At this point, you'll be presented with several options for how you want the Calendly integration to appear on your website. These are known as embed styles. There are three primary styles to choose from: the inline embed, the pop-up widget, and the pop-up text. The inline embed integrates Calendly directly into a page, visible to all who navigate there. The pop-up widget, on the other hand, appears as a small, convenient window that users can interact with. Pop-up text offers a link that, when clicked, opens a booking page, perfect for keeping your page clean and minimal. Depending on your website's design and the user experience you're aiming for, select the style that suits your needs the best. Now, let's move on to copying the code snippet. Once you've made your selection, Calendly provides you with a bit of code. Carefully copy this code snippet, as it is the bridge between Calendly and your Wix website. With this snippet in hand, we're ready to transition from Calendly to Wix. Log in to your Wix account, and once inside, open your site in the editor. This is where your Wix web magic happens and where you will integrate your new Calendly feature. Look for the Add button, symbolized by a plus sign. Click it, then navigate to Embed in Social and select Embed Code. Depending on the options available, you might find it labeled as Custom Embed or HTML Embed. These functions serve the same purpose, allowing you to insert external code into your website. With the embed window open, simply paste the code snippet you copied from Calendly into the provided space. Once inserted, follow the prompts or instructions to finalize the integration. Be sure to save or publish your changes, ensuring the integration is live. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Calendly with your Wix site. Your visitors can now easily access scheduling features directly from your website, enhancing their experience and simplifying your bookings. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for help.